Right, hello guys. So today we are going to do the quadratic equation again. So the quadratic equation has a general formula ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. So if you are given a quadratic equation like this one, x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, and you are supposed to solve this equation, the first thing is you should remember that a, the number behind x squared, is here, and in this case it's 1, and b, the number behind x, and here it's minus 3, and c, the constant, is 1. So if you are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, you now know that a is here, b is here, and c is here. So what do? You write your formula: x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, like this. After doing this, then make sure you substitute your numbers. Don't forget a is here, and b is this number, and c is this number. So substitution next. So you write x is equal to minus. This minus is on my formula, but b is negative 3. So remember that and watch out for such a mistake. Plus or minus the square root of b is negative 3 again, squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 1 again, over 2 times a, which is 1. Next step, you should simplify. So by making this mistake of forgetting that we do have a negative sign and negative sign here, usually the next step, you might have to watch out for such a mistake, because if you make that mistake, you will get a wrong answer. So negative times negative, you will get positive 3, plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared, that will be 9, minus 4 times 1 minus 4 all over 2 times 1, that will be 2. Your next step here, x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4, you will get 5 all over 2. Next step, you just have to write your two answers. Remember, we have plus or minus here. So x is equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 5 all over 2. So next step, you punch this on your calculator. 3 plus root 5 divided by 2, x is equal to 2.62, or x is equal to, if you punch 3 minus root 5, you will get 0.38. That is by dividing by 2. So the common mistake here that students also make is when they punch these numbers, usually they use those sharp calculators, the small ones, and if they punch this number, they punch it directly, and that calculator respects the BODMAS rule. So if you punch like that directly everything, you might get a wrong answer. So what do? You might have to punch 3 plus root 5. That is, if you do not have an advanced calculator, 3 plus root 5, you write your answer, you divide it by 2. That's how you get 2.62. Or 3 minus root 5, you get an answer, you divide it by 2, you get 0.38. And these are your answers. So it's so easy to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. You just have to remember every step and every procedure. That way, you won't get wrong answers. Thank you.